Can a $5 windshield repair kit fix a shattered phone? 1 month ago, I dropped my phone and the screen completely shattered. But could a $5 windshield repair kit made for car glass actually fix it? Let's find out. Step 1. Scrape off loose glass with a razor blade. Then, position suction cups over the crack. And screw in the funnel to pour in the repair liquid. But wait, my crack is way bigger than the kit recommends. So, let's cover the entire screen, apply this pressure sheet, and let it sit. 5 minutes later, it already looks 10 times better. But does it really work? Time for the reveal. 3, 2, 1, holy moly! It's not 100% perfect. But for just $5 this hack might be a game changer. Would you try it?